OpenAI CEO feels awful about ChatGPT leaking conversations. What? A leak?
Yeah.
A lab leak?
Don't want to go there.
Oh, I don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Delayed mea culpa isn't a good look for a biz with open in the name. Sam Altman feels awful about open source library bug that leaked some users' chat histories. Ooh, careful what you're typing. Who controls your data?
I do think that there is a lot of safety that needs to be put in this, at least now. Because in the future, there's going to be people that depend on these like chatbot as assistants or as some sort of like emotional outlet, you know? And having these really private conversations, it needs to be kept private. It can't be shared at all. You know, we talk about like Apple Music sharing the playlists of like other people's, and it's just like, I guess music is not that bad, but when it comes to like these private conversations with the chatbot, I think it's quite dangerous.
What type of conversations you had in there, Will? Huh? What are you saying to your...
Very salacious,
what are you
very
saying?
Sensitive.
What are you saying to your chat
Definitely
bot?
personal.
What you been saying to your chat bot there?
My feelings.
We had a significant issue in ChatGPT due to a bug in an open source library for which a fix has now been released, and we have just finished validating. Altman said a small percentage of users were able to see the titles of other users' conversation history. We feel awful about this. Awful.
But what are they going to do about it?
Well,
how are they going to fix it?
Well, they plan to follow up with a technical post-mortem about the privacy breach. The formerly nonprofit biz did not respond to the registrar's inquiries about which open source library contained the buggy code.
Dude, he's the next guy to go to Congress. He's the guy.
Yeah, you're nominating him?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Well, maybe Mr. TikTok's going to call him up and say, hey, you get in here.
Yeah. Let me hang back and
have for
popcorn
me already.
Zuckerberg.
Well, get the OpenAI guy.
Yeah.
He's ruining stuff.
Uh-huh.
Let me go. Let me get out of here.
I'm telling you, he's next.
Of course.
He's next.
Yeah, of course. What are the implications here? On your platform, on September 22nd at 6:04 p.m., this user...
How dare you share Will's feelings?
...generated this text.
Yeah.
Oh, swagger time. Swagger time. Coca-Cola in the hand. Swagger time. Gotta get my dog. Here goes me and my dog. It was Mo, by the way. Yeah. Did they see him in the wide?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was Mo, by the way.
Front and center.
All right. Yeah, he's next, Will. You're right. He's next.
Yeah.